Welcome to the Sociology presentation. The type of person who will enjoy sociology will be someone who enjoys being challenged by new ideas and someone who likes reading and writing a lot. You'll need good English skills because you'll have essays to write. And a willingness will be important to participate in discussions. So sociology is about studying society and social behaviour. We'll analyse different groups of people. We'll study hierarchies and power in society, and we'll look at the work of sociologists who study society to find and resolve social problems. This is a textbook you will need, and this covers all the work in Year 10 and 11. Here's a little bit about the course itself. In Year 10, you'll complete 50% of the course, studying different topics such as families and education. The questions will range from being 1 mark up to 15 marks. In Year 11, you'll complete the other 50%. Remember, GCSE qualifications in sociology are reported on a 9-point scale from 1 to 9, where 9 is the highest grade. So, for example, a 9 would be equivalent to an A star. The topics we study in Year 11 are mainly social inequality and crime and deviance. So there's 2 exams and no coursework. So there's lots of advantages to studying sociology. So you'll be encouraged, for example, to explore and debate social issues. You'll develop your own sociological awareness, and it will develop your ability to think sociologically in relation to your experience of the world around you. So there's no previous learning requirements for you to do this course. It does, however, provide a suitable foundation for the study of sociology at A level. There are lots of different questions that we'll study. Here are some of them. Who makes the law? Who benefits from it? Why does inequality exist? Does violent TV lead to violent crime? And why do people commit crime? What are the different types of families and why are there different types? Why do some pupils do better at school than others? What does lower class, working class, middle class and upper class mean? Sociology can help you greatly with a variety of careers in the law, journalism, social work, childcare, medicine. Some other careers involve nursing, advertising, teaching, work in management, prison work, criminology. So thank you for listening, and remember, for any more details, please contact me if you need any further help or information. Thank you.